All right. Hi all. I am a requirement engineer, and uh, as our responsibility to bridge the gap between your vision of for the project and the functionalities, we have questions for you guys to uh, clear the issues which you guys are facing. So me and Anu, she is also a requirement engineer. We were asking you some questions, and you can raise your issues as well with us, and we will also discussing which issues you guys are facing. So uh, my first question is that uh, is smart home automation app is able to accept the voice command. So
Uh,
yeah.
yes, the app was accepting the voice command. Uh, I was able to test the app for opening the garage and turning on the light. So it was taking the command well for me, was accepting the command.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'm
So
having, yes. Yes, go ahead, Aayushi.
yeah. So there is no issue related to the voice commanding from
Uh,
if you are commanding. Yeah.
well, I had a different experience. So when I do the commands from
Mm-hmm.
my living room, it's okay,
Mm-hmm.
but when I move a bit away to the kitchen, the device doesn't pick up my voice. So I don't know if anyone else had that
Okay.
same experience, but that's the experience I had.
Yeah, and I
Okay.
also have problem
So
when me and my friend is speaking, it's not accepting correctly. Like when two people are speaking at a time, it's not taking the command
okay.
properly.
All right. So Nabil, I have one question that it's not responding at all, or it's uh, saying something else.
So when I say the voice command, it
Mm-hmm.
picks the voice assistant comes on, but it doesn't pick
Mm-hmm.
my speech. It doesn't pick what I say.
You mean it's not accepting the command from the distance,
Yeah,
maybe?
it's not accepting the command. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I tried like
Mm-hmm.
within two or three steps, and it was working fine for me. But it seems like from the distance, it's not accepting the command correctly.
Okay. All right. So
So,
I have noted your issues. Yeah. Anu, go ahead.
so my next question is, were you guys able to connect the app to the garage from the garage?
Yes, I
Yeah,
tried connecting with the garage only, and I tried with a very less distance, and it was working fine for me.
Okay.
Well, I haven't tried that yet, so I honestly don't know if it's functional.
yeah,
Okay.
I also connect to garage, it's working
Okay.
properly.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayushi?
All right. So are you able to connect your lightning system of home to the app?
Lightning system I tested, and actually I had the problem with the lighting system. When I tried turn on the light of my bedroom,
Mm-hmm.
it worked fine. But when I tried to turn on my light from my living room, sorry, when I tried to turn on the light of my kitchen from the living room, it was not able
Mm-hmm.
to accept the command. It was not able to turn on the light. So it seems like
Okay.
it's not accepting the command from the distance, maybe.
Okay. So it's totally not working from the distance if you are uh, commanding from the far distance from
Right.
one room to another room, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Yeah, from my point of view, it's normally working, but when I hear command like switch on the light when I'm in living room, kitchen room, also it's like it's turning on light, like it's turning
And
on
it
two, three lights at a time.
y- okay, and it's happening all the time if you
No,
are
only sometimes.
uh, performing this scenario. Okay, okay. So my question is to all of you that this commanding problem, commanding issue is happening with all the time. Have you what are the
Sorry.
occurrence of this issue?
Well, for me, I would say the main issue is that distance.
Sorry.
Most times when I try it from a distance, it just doesn't work. So I've concluded that it's probably just a distance thing. Maybe I'm a bit too far, or maybe you guys need to increase the range of
Okay,
the voice pickup.
okay,
Yeah, I
all
tested
right,
2 times for the lightning system, and both time it did not work. So
Okay.
all right.
So, is the app able to connect the heating system of the home?
yes, for me the heating system worked. I was able to turn on my heater. I was able to turn off also, and my AC was also kind of controlled through the app.
Okay.
Okay,
What about you, Nabil?
Well, my heater, it worked with the thermostat, but then sometimes, so I have an issue, but it's not always occurring. It sometimes comes on, it sometimes doesn't. You have to do it manually sometimes, but fairly it's okay. I'd say out of 10 times, maybe twice you try and it doesn't work.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
okay,
working normal for me.
Working normally? No
Yeah,
issue?
no issue.
Okay.
okay. So, guys, were you able to install app in iOS and Android platform? Is it
Uh,
successfully installed in your both the
Installing app
platform?
on iOS worked, but for Android, no, it did not work for me.
Yeah, for me,
Okay.
it worked
So,
on the Android, but I do know one of my neighbors was complaining that he has an older Android, so he was complaining. Unfortunately, he's not here to voice that. But for me, it worked on my Android. Maybe because it's more compatible with the newer versions. I don't know. But my neighbor was also complaining that he was trying to use it on his phone and it was an issue for him.
Yeah, for me,
okay,
I was able to download, but it struck sometimes.
okay. And uh, mm, Madhumita, is it showing any type of error message or something to you if you're
Um,
not able to install it?
no, it just kind of keeps spinning. It just shows the downloading message and keeps spinning. It doesn't go anywhere from there.
All right. Okay. Yeah.
So, have you guys developed the app? Have you tested way is the system is working on screen touch screen, or you have to go manually and do everything?
Touchscreen, I have not tested actually. I have just used the voice command. Have you guys tested, Prithvi and Nabil?
Yeah, well, I scrolled through the touchscreen. I haven't extensively tested it, but yeah, I've used it a bit and it seems to be working fine.
Yeah, when I checked with iOS, it's working properly.
No issue.
No
Nothing
issue in
is
iOS, but in Android, it always got struck.
okay. Okay.
All right. So, is there any issue with the login system? Are you able to log into the system by providing correct user ID and password, guys?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And if you are entering the incorrect user ID and password, were you able to log in?
If you what?
No, when
If
we
you,
when I tried logging into the system by giving incorrect password, and it did not work for me. It gave me the chance to re-log in, and I gave incorrect password again, but it did not let me log in. So yeah, that's working. It's good.
okay. So, Nabil, I'm repeating the question for you. Were you able to log in the system with incorrect user ID and password?
No, I wasn't. I wasn't.
Yeah, me too. I wasn't able to
Oh,
log in and using
Yeah.
incorrect
all
password.
right. Okay. So we can say that there is no issue with the login system, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Yeah,
So
so
are you guys experiencing yeah. Can I take this question? Anu?
yes.
Okay. So are you guys experiencing any UI issue?
Uh, Only issue I noticed is uh,
Mm-hmm.
when I try to see the all menu on home screen, I have to sometimes scroll. I have to move my mobile screen little bit to the upside, and that's little bit irritating. So I think I feel like all the settings and all the icon should be visible on the home screen completely. I should not have to scroll the screen to see everything.
Okay.
Well, for me
Got
with the UI, it's less. It's not much of an annoying thing for me. It's just sometimes the app lags. It has a lag time sometimes. I think the performance is a bit so it takes a while sometimes it takes a while. So I guess maybe that's when a lot of people are usually towards the evenings. Like I don't know how it works behind the scenes, but like sometimes it's a bit slow. So maybe you guys have to improve the performance for that.
okay. We got it.
Yeah, there's no problem from my part.
Okay.
All right.
So, is the app sending the notification to the user upon about the status and any issue is if there is any issue with the devices, are you guys getting a notification related to that?
Notification part, I don't think I have tested the notification system, but yes, I got one pop up when I when there was somebody on the door. I did got a notification on my phone.
Yeah, for me it works fine. It works as it's supposed to.
Yeah, but
Okay.
one time I forgot to switch on my dryer, but it didn't give any more notification for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Is the notification format is good? Did you like the notification format?
Yes, format was correct.
Yeah.
So I would like to add some more things about the login system. Are you guys getting authentication notification like from uh, through text or email or messages if you're trying to log
Mm,
in?
no, only I one thing I just saw when I tried to log in with an incorrect password, it gave me the option to try again. And second time also I gave the incorrect password. It did not let me log in, and it gave me the option to try again. And the third time when I tried to provide again incorrect password, it did not let me log in. That's it.
Okay,
I
so
did
no
not get any
message, email,
message,
or
authentication, yeah, notification or email or anything for that.
okay.
Same here. I haven't received login authentication before.
And
I
you,
am I
Prudhvi?
am tried using the wrong password.
Okay. So, did you guys try to add more user with the same subscription? So, did you face any difficulty or any challenges adding and removing the users
Uh,
in your app?
yeah, I tried adding my family member and it worked for me. I did not try removing the user though, but adding user worked for me.
Okay.
Well, I haven't tried adding any user yet,
Yeah,
so
I added user some of my friends and I removed it worked properly.
Okay.
All right.
And did you guys use the subscription method? Like, did you get the note subscription method, like payment method, monthly, yearly, or quarterly, something like that? Did you get that feature there?
That I have not tried yet. Have you all tried
uh,
that
No.
functionality?
I've not tried it, but I see it comes up as a when you try to make a payment, but I haven't actually um tried any of the packages yet, the new packages, so I don't know if it goes through or it's just, but I have seen the
Okay.
options. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. And one more thing, that are you guys able to check the status, which you have told that you wanted to check the status, that's if someone is coming and if someone is uh, in front of your door, or if there is something, some motion is going on inside your house, so you need something. uh,
I I did test, and I got the pop-up notification on my phone when somebody was at my door.
okay.
So yeah, that worked for me.
Yeah, so that works perfectly.
Mhm.
Yeah, I didn't encounter that situation.
Okay. Okay. So do you guys like the performance? Is when you're using, is the system is getting crash, or is the system is hanging up or something like that? Do you get any um um difficulty? Did you see any difficulties in performance wise?
Uh, I don't see any major performance issue. It's only like it's not accepting the command, um, multiple commands within a second of differences. Like if you give a command just turn on my light, and immediately if you give the command to turn on the TV, it will accept the first command, but the second command will keep lagging. It will not work. So maybe that's where the performance little bit performance issue is. Uh, and the other one is not accepting that command from distance. That's it. I don't think any other performance issue.
So distance means how many, how much? Can you tell me?
Maybe 100 feet. I think app should be able to accept the command from at least 200 feet also,
Okay.
but that's not happening right now.
Okay, and how do you find, is the app looking secure to you, that if you are logging and you are putting your personal details, is the app asking permission to you, that are you accepting or not?
Yes, consent form was displayed to me when I tried to download the app. So
Okay,
yeah, it did ask for my consent.
okay. Anything else you want to add, Ayushi?
No, I'm okay. All right, guys. So we have noted your issues and we'll work on that and we'll report to you guys.
Okay.
Sure. Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right. Thank
All
you.
Thank
right.
you so
Thanks
much.
for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So that's it. We'll talk to you again.
All right.
Bye, everyone.
All right.
Stop.